I'm not doing that. I'm not compliant. I'm not.
These two crazy women have pushed themselves into a nightmare with no way out, where stubbornness turns everything into disaster.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park now.
I'm not on the ground. Why are you doing that?
Will these hysteria be appeased, or will they be quelled in an unexpected way? A traffic ticket is not usually a prison sentence, but for those reckless individuals, it becomes the trigger for a nightmarish chain reaction, where every boundary is shattered and disaster becomes an unavoidable consequence.
I'm not doing that.
On May 10, 2024, in Florida, a police officer requested a traffic stop because the vehicle did not obey the light signal. At first, the situation seemed like just a normal exchange.
Keep the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay?
It was thought that everything had ended here, but a sudden piece of information from the officers caused everything to explode, bringing the incident into a chaotic and irreversible turn.
Do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You won't go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right?
Calm down.
I'm going to comply. All right, cool. That's cool now.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come
All
on.
right. For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a warrant for arrest.
Step out of the car.
What? She want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll explain to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna prove me no cup.
Tatiana, but you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit. No, I don't want to do that.
You went to her mama?
Well, let my daddy don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
You need to step out, or you're going to touch another charge,
That,
okay?
but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep. Come on in.
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on, chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, okay.
Just guys, give it a second. We're fighting. We're fighting. Hey, come on. Come out.
I'm not doing that.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands over.
Put your hands up. They got out the car.
Y'all got me so,
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now. Because
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kid.
got your bitch ass.
Okay.
Although she denied all the allegations, what remained in the police file told a different story. The question is, who is she trying to convince? The police or myself?
Come on now. I
Okay,
didn't want to
big
do
ass.
that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why took 3?
We gave you the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying.
Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides?
I know.
Anything else on you?
You stop
Okay.
talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about?
At the last minute, when all the doors were closed, she still tried to maintain control. But she doesn't know the curtain has come down, the game is over, and the invisible verdict is waiting ahead.
I hate y'all, motherfucker.
No.
If you start on it, I'm going to tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You. I hate y'all, motherfucker. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up.
Can you copy a starting mileage?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
And y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll do it on time.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect shit but your ass. And it's
Under Florida Statute SS 843.02, resisting a law enforcement officer without the use of violence is considered a second-degree misdemeanor, carrying a potential penalty of up to 60 days in jail and a maximum fine of $500. In addition, she was also accused of possessing prescription drugs without a legal prescription, making the case even more serious. From an initial mistake, things quickly spiraled out of control because of her stubbornness and uncooperative attitude. Now, instead of a single charge, she faces a series of heavy legal consequences before trial. Moving on to the next story, you won't believe it when you hear the silly reasons this woman gives to justify her reckless behavior. On December 31, 2023, Orlando police engaged in a pursuit when the car crashed into a tree and fled, but immediately they realized things were worse than a simple accident.
Vehicle now! Stop the vehicle! Turn your vehicle off now!
Stop the car! Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car!
getting commands.
Get out of the car right now. Stop! Stop! Get out of the car! Get out!
Get out of the car now! It's a command!
Get out! Get out now! Shut the vehicle off right now!
Unlock the vehicle now!
Yeah, it looks like there's a vehicle, so
Get out of the car!
I'm not doing it.
If you move this,
wrong.
put the car in park! Put the car in park now!
You do it. I'm not
out of
doing
the car.
anything. I'm not doing anything.
Get out of the car!
I'm
I'm gonna
not
cut your
doing
seatbelt.
anything.
Get out of the
I'm not
car!
doing anything.
It's still a
I'm
drive.
not
It's still a
doing
drive.
anything. I'm not doing anything.
Put
I'm not doing anything. You do it.
Put the car in park now!
I'm
Put
not
the
doing
car in park
anything.
now!
I'm not doing anything.
That's fine.
When the situation finally crossed the line, the officers were left with no choice but to bring the chaos to an abrupt end. And just like many other so-called Karens, compromise was never something she would even consider.
Keys are out, guys.
Thank you. I couldn't reach it.
Look,
Hold on, let me unlock the doors.
I have this arm on a thing. They're pulling my arm out. You see it? I'm getting out. I'm not compliant. I'm not compliant. I'm not
Alright, you got the shoulder over the
Why you throwing me on the ground? Why are you doing that?
Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. You're not listening to the commands.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting you. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Be quiet and listen.
No, don't tell me to
Be
be
quiet and
quiet.
listen.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, y'all. Why you threw me to the ground?
You weren't listening to our orders.
What was the order?
To get out of the car. Put the car in park.
So I couldn't park the car first? It's on your body cam. Don't tell me to shush. No, don't tell me to shush. I was not complying.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not. No, I was not. I have no weapon. I'm not like.
I'm about to catch.
Yeah.
You need a challenge?
No, okay.
You can't.
I was resisting you.
That's what I was like.
I did something. I
couldn't
was
see you.
resisting
I couldn't see
you.
you, and I was like,
I was resisting you. Ma'am,
Because I thought- because I
no,
heard the gas
ma'am.
drum.
I was resisting. So you're gonna beat me up? What you about to do? You want to beat me up?
Relax.
Y'all about to beat me up? I wasn't resisting you. I never resisted you since I was in my car. Why am I being pulled out of my car and being detained? Why am I being pulled? My feet are spread. Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained? Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained?
Hey,
Why
let's just-
am I being pulled
Let's just get her in the car.
out of my
Let's get her in the
car and detained? Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained? Why y'all doing this to me? Why y'all doing this to me?
Have a seat.
I don't have no record.
Have a seat.
I'm not a criminal. I'm not a criminal. Why y'all pulling me out of my car
Have a
and doing
seat.
this to me? What is the reason? 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 What is the Oh.
I'll fix her on the other side.
This how you gonna do me?
Even while sitting in the police car, she still insisted that she was completely awake. Her words were interrupted and mixed with confusion that was difficult to hide. But is that true bravery or just the last moment of struggle before everything falls apart?
You were driving the wrong way on JYP, the wrong direction.
I did not drive the wrong direction.
You were driving.
No, ma'am.
You were.
No, ma'am.
You
Show
were.
me why I drove the wrong direction. Show me on your body camera. Show me why I drove the wrong direction.
Okay, well.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I would not tolerate that. I would not tolerate that.
DUI center, we cancel the Bravo unit.
Okay.
I will not tolerate
Can I ask
that.
you a question?
I will not tolerate that. I drove the
That's
wrong
fine.
way.
Can I ask you a question? Do you want to take the standard field sobriety tests?
Ma'am, I'm sober.
That's not what I asked. Do you want to take the standard
I can
field
take
sobriety
sobriety test, but
So,
before
yes?
I do that,
Okay.
please let me call my family.
Okay.
They're not gonna have me out here. I can't even call my family.
Okay.
That drove me out my car. I can't even call my family. No.
You would like to
no.
take them?
I will.
Okay.
But let me call my family. Let me call my
I'll let you
father.
call him in a minute.
Right? Let me call my father. My daughter is at home.
Oh, sorry.
My daughter is at home. Let me call my father.
The field sobriety test was inevitable, and as expected, she tried to stall for time. But no matter what she did, the truth ultimately sealed her fate, bringing that night to a close with a price she could never undo.
Can you see it over here with your eyes if you go? Okay.
I have my prescription in the car. I cannot see.
You can't see?
I cannot see it. You're telling me.
So can you see or not see?
Please call my dad.
Well-
No, I have prescription. My prescription is in the car. I cannot see. I'm literally blind. I have I have prescription in my eyes right now as we speak. So they're telling me that I just want to call my father. I don't feel safe. I just want to call my dad.
Hey, well, we asked
Just
you
wanna-
earlier if you could see. You said
I
you could
told
see.
her. No, I
So
told
right
her.
now you can't see anything.
I can see, but I have contacts in my eyes. So for her to tell me that I was driving the wrong way, I could not
So
see.
right now, do you have contacts in there?
I have contacts in my eyes right now. I
Okay.
can pull them out my eyes right
Okay,
now.
so you can see.
I can see. I
Okay.
can see you now, yes.
Okay, so why
But I
come
could not
earlier?
see earlier. I'm not
Why-
drunk because I have contacts in my eyes.
Oh, you put them in later? or something?
Yes, I have to put drops in them. They get blurry at certain times. I
okay.
would not make this up.
Okay.
And I feel embarrassed. Like, can I just please call my father?
Well, you can call when we're done with field sobriety. We're not done yet.
Sir, I could pull my contact out my eye right now. You don't see it because it's my natural eye color.
but I need you to see so we can do this.
Alright, so what I'm trying to tell you, she said I was driving the wrong way. I don't feel like I was driving the wrong way. If this is why I got pulled over from driving
All right.
the wrong way,
Hey,
I
so
cannot
Amber,
see.
Do you want to finish or not?
I can do the sobriety test. I'm not drunk, sir.
Okay, so
I'm
let's
not drunk.
let's
I'm not-
continue and let's finish. All right, feet together, hands by your side. I'll give you another opportunity. Okay, eyes and eyes only. All
What
right.
was the first?
There you go. Put your right foot right in front of it. Heel, toe, touching. Yep. Hands by your side. Okay.
Please mark down that I cannot see.
Yes, I'll put that.
put
But you
that.
told me you could see. So which one is it?
No, I cannot see. She told me that I drove the wrong direction.
Oh,
I cannot see.
got
I
it.
have contacts in my
I know,
eye.
but you
pull my
can see
contact-
right now. But you just said you had contacts earlier. You
I
could see.
have contacts in my eyes. I have contacts in my eyes
I know.
right now.
So if you have
I'm
contacts
legally
in your
blind.
eyes-
Like, you could literally, I have my prescription in my car.
Okay.
So please mark that down. She
I
said
did.
I drove the wrong way.
No, but I'm asking right now though. Can you see me?
No, I cannot see.
You can't see me.
I cannot see.
But earlier you just said you could see.
I said I cannot see.
And you said you had contacts and you could
I
see.
said I cannot see. I said I have contacts in my eyes.
I could see them in your eyes.
You can see them, right?
Yeah.
So how can you?
So how could you not see with contacts?
Because they're blurry. They're blurry. I cannot see
Do
right
you
now.
need eye drops?
Yes. She said I drove the wrong way.
Hey,
I
but-
cannot see.
But right now, do you need eye drops?
Yes, I do. They're in my car. They're in my car. Everything's in my car. My eyes, prescription, everything is in my
Eye condition.
I cannot see. I told you my prescription is in the car.
Okay.
I cannot
Do
see.
you want to do it or not?
I'm going to do it.
Okay.
I'm going to do it, but I'm letting you know that
Okay.
I'm never going to be able to stand straight
Okay.
because I have screws in this ankle, okay?
Okay.
So please don't say I'm drunk or I'm
Okay.
incoherent or anything like that. I'm never going to be able to stand straight. So please take note of that.
1, 2, 3. You're gonna count out loud again. 9
You
steps back.
understand that I can never.
Yes, we already went
Okay.
over that.
And
you
I
were
cannot
done.
see,
yeah,
right?
we
Okay.
already went over all that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
In the end, her hand-picked one-way ticket took her straight to where alcohol and resistance always end up, behind bars and a DUI charge waiting.
Spread your feet, please. Thank you. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Hold on.
So I took my money on my card to go where?
So I'll tell you in a second. We're gonna put it in your property when you at the jail, okay? So you get to keep it so nobody takes it. Nothing under your bra or anything. That's my.
According to court records, the suspect was convicted of driving under the influence, DUI. She was given a suspended sentence, fined, and will continue to have her driver's license revoked in the near future. This incident not only marks a serious mistake, but is also a lesson for those who disregard road safety and the law. From seemingly minor violations, both girls push themselves into a harsh legal vortex where opposition and stubbornness are never the way out. When all doors have closed, what's left is only regret and quietly waiting sentences. Small mistakes are sometimes the spark for unexpected tragedies. And you, what do you think about these stories? Please leave a comment and share your opinion.